I'm in my element. Money getting bigger, that's the evidence. They wanna see me fall, I promise you I never slip. I'm on the grind, do it for the dead presidents. Dead presidents.
Run from a bullet. Gotta leave my candlelight burn. If it goes out, I would lose it. Gotta let my candlelight burn, burn, burn.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so awkward at this. I try, but I'm so awkward at this. But on today's video, I am going to be doing this look right here that is inspired by Zhavia. I hope I'm saying that right, for her latest music video for Candlelight. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, please continue to watch. And oh, this will be an outfit of the day as well, so please watch into the very end. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the bell down below to let you know every time I upload. Thanks guys, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I already have my face and my eyebrows done, so jumping straight into eyes. Once again, I'm taking Glamour Dolls X Lisa Frank eyeshadow in Heartthrob with a blending brush, and I'm taking that color and I'm placing it right along my crease area for a transition color. Next, taking my double-sided eyeshadow brush, I'm taking the blending side in LA Colors Cool Palette. I'm going to be taking that top dark black color, and I'm going to be working that from my outer V all the way into my crease on top of that first transition shade that I put down, and I'm going to be working that little by little until I get my desired color. Going back in with Heartthrob and a blending brush, I'm taking that color and I'm going into the crease area to make sure I blend out the black. Now in that same LA Colors Cool palette, I'm going to be taking that silver color and I'm going to be placing that all over the eyelid. Now taking a BH Cosmetics Supernova palette, I'm going to be taking Pegasus and Libra, and those two colors, I'm going to be placing those on top of my eyelid as well. Now I'm taking this glitter shadow by Wet n Wild and I'm placing it on my tear ducts, working it up towards my eyelids. Taking e.l.f.'s black eyeliner, I'm going to be lining my eyes, making a wing at the end. And like I said before, it's easier for me to start in the middle of my eye and then work out, then go back to the front of my eye, then connect it all. So after doing my eyelashes off camera, I'm going to be moving on to highlight and contour using NYX Professional Concealer in Caramel and Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Caramel on top. And the reason why my NYX may seem a little oily is because I actually put 2 drops of Physician Formula Argan Oil inside the bottle, and it helps my concealer blend out a lot better than before. So it's my little trick and it works for me. So highlighting under my eyes, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. As always, now with Ben Nye's Topaz translucent powder, I'm going to be setting all the places that I just highlighted. I don't know why I always just start off with a little bit and then it's like wham, I have like the biggest amount of powder on my face. For contour, I'm using my black Opal foundation stick in black walnut, and I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones, forehead, chin, and nose. Now to set that cream contour, I'm going in with Black Radiance contour kit, and this is in medium to dark, and I'm just going to go right on top of all the places I contoured. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to sweep away all the excess powder that I have left sitting on my face. Back in that cool kit, I'm gonna go into the black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna just finish off lining the bottom of my eye with the black and start from the bottom outer corner and work its way right towards the middle. and back into that silver color from the middle onto the inner eye, and once again using Pegasus and Libra right on top. I'm going to be lining my waterline with Smashbox, and this is in the shade Fishnet. First using a little face spray, then I'm going to be highlighting with Laura Geller's Highlight in Ballerina. Finishing off my lower lashes with M.A.C Extreme Dimension 3D Lash in black. So finally for lips, I'm going in with Wet n Wild's Megalast liquid lipstick and behind the bleachers. And on top, I'm taking NYX Lip Lingerie in Ruffle trim. And as always, taking my NYX matte face spray all over my face, followed by a big fluffy face brush just to make sure everything is blended as one. So this is the completed look, and I hope you guys love it as much as I did. And once again, I want to thank you guys for tuning in for another video and showing me so much love and so much support, and I truly, truly, truly appreciate it and cannot express how much it means to me. So until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Almost totally forgot the outfit of the day, which top is from Rainbow and pants and cardigan is from Torrid. Accessories are from all over the place. I couldn't even tell you where I got all the bracelets from, and shoes are from Farm and Mills. Thanks again for watching, and see you guys next time.